A dated rental doesn't have to look temporary. What if you could transform this space into this one using only a few high-impact techniques? I'm going to show you how to achieve an expensive, curated look with 3 foundational renter-friendly strategies. Stick around until the end, and I'll also share the single most effective trick for making any rental feel custom designed. Number 1, start by subtracting. The first step to a luxurious space is creating visual calm. Before adding anything new, edit your current belongings. This act of subtraction is a design tool. Those plain builder-grade walls, when cleared, suddenly read as intentional minimalism, not a landlord's oversight. Resist the urge to fill every corner. Instead, select only 1 or 2 significant furniture pieces for a room. This creates negative space, which the mind perceives as peaceful and high-end. Number 2, layer up with textures. To distract from dated floors or finishes, the key is to layer in sophisticated textures. Think about the tactile quality of materials like nubby boucle, rich velvet, or relaxed linen. A large jute or wool rug is your most valuable asset. It can artfully conceal imperfect flooring and ground the entire room. On your sofa, layer pillows by mixing materials like linen with wool, but keep them within a unified, neutral color palette. This tone-on-tone approach to natural, touchable materials adds a warmth and depth that quietly says luxury, making generic rental features recede. Number 3, get your lighting right. Nothing compromises a room's potential more than a single, harsh overhead light. To achieve a high-end atmosphere, your new strategy is to ignore that ceiling fixture. First, maximize natural light with sheer linen curtains. They diffuse daylight beautifully and add an airy, expensive feel. Next, layer your lighting with multiple sources. Position a floor lamp in one area and a table lamp in another to create warm, inviting islands of light. This layered approach is what makes a space feel custom, warm, and thoughtfully designed. Now that you have the core strategies, which will you implement first? Are you planning a strategic declutter, or are you searching for the perfect textural rug? Share your first step in the comments below. As you can see, an expensive-looking home isn't about the price tag, but about deliberate choices. By subtracting clutter, layering rich textures, and mastering your lighting, any dated apartment can become a serene and beautiful home. But there's one more detail that pulls everything together. The secret, I promised. It's upgrading your hardware. Swapping out basic cabinet poles, doorknobs, or even light switch plates for higher quality pieces in a finish like brass or matte black is a small, reversible change with a disproportionately large impact. It's this final layer of detail that makes a space feel considered, peaceful, and truly yours. For more ideas on how to elevate your rental, don't forget to subscribe and follow for the next video.